Hi guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do butterfly cake. It's gonna be cut out. So I have a sheet cake here and I have two quite thick layers, and I just put the layer of the buttercream in the middle. Okay, and I'm just gonna do my shape out of butterfly cutout. I don't have a template, so I'm just gonna have to do it by eyeball. And I like to freehand it, and I'm using just regular icing. So what I do, I just draw it on top with color icing that will show up on top, just like that. And I just see if I like the shape, if it looks right, and when I get it just right, I'll just go back and cut it out and crumb coat it. All right, so hope it all makes sense. So let's do it. Now I'll take my bigger knife and let's carve it a little bit. So I'm gonna carve about like that, just a little dip into the body. See? And do the same this side. Not too much, but just a little, give it a little. Again, when you carve the cake, it's better to cut it a little at a time. You can always go back and see, I can cut a little more each time. Because if you just won't go in and just cut it big chunk and then oops, it's hard to put it back. All right, and I'm gonna now round up my corners. Indentions in the wing, and see, you can see it better, it shapes up already. And do exact the same thing on the other side, make sure it's all matches so we don't have lopsided butterfly. Now if you're not good with do it freehand, you can always do a template. Just print or draw one side of the butterfly, fold the paper in half, make sure it matches, and you can lay it on top of the cake and outline it. So that's the easier way to do it. But you know, if you can get closer enough, I think you'll be fine. Nobody, I'm pretty sure nobody will come with a ruler to your cake and measure like, oh, this wing is a quarter of an inch larger than the other one. So I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. Again, make sure it matches. again. It's a strawberry cake, so that's why you see all the darker spots in here. It's the little strawberry pieces. Alright, so that should do it for now. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to cool off, and then I'll put another layer over. Just make sure you keep your indents. Don't cover them. Alright, and now it's past several hours. Now, if you have any rough spots on your icing, I use this little plastic tool to smooth it over. Just run it across your buttercream and it works like magic. Alright, so just smooth it out till it's all nice, and then I'm gonna cover it in fondant. All right, so here's the final butterfly, the princess butterfly with a little golden crown. What you guys think? There you go. I think it turned out pretty cute. It's pretty easy cake. Again, like I said, it's very easy. You can just freehand carve it out of the sheet cake like I did. Cover it in fondant, put your colors on, details. And I think it looks very cute. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this new video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new, then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, I love you so much.